In this video, I'll guide you through setting up and add delivery fees per product quantity in WooCommerce using WooCommerce Extra Fees plugin. Let's begin. To configure advanced delivery fees based on product quantity, first ensure you have activated the WooCommerce Extra Fee Premium version. To add/configure the new fees, begin by navigating to Manage Fees in the menu bar here. You need to click Add New button here to configure the fees. Right now let's edit the fee, which I have already configured a delivery charges, with different settings. In the fee configuration, start by adding the fee title here. Next, select the fee type. Options include percentage, fee plus fee, or fixed. I've chosen the fixed option and set a base amount for the first quantity. Activate the advanced sections from here to reveal options for product-based or cart-based fees. We'll select cart-based option here for this example and set the charges per product, such as $5 per item. Now, let's scroll down to the bottom. In the Conditional Fee Rules section you can add the multiple rules based on your business needs by clicking here. But it is an optional. I have configured 3 rules. First, country is equal to United States. Second, the payment gateway is equal to cash on delivery. And third, the cart total is less than or equal to $1,999. This way you can configure the settings. Save these settings. Now, let's see how this works on the front end. First, add this product and add different products to the cart. Let's add this product to the cart. Click to view the cart. On the cart page, you'll notice that there are total 2 product quantity, so the fees should be $5 plus $5 equals $10 as you can see it here. Let's increase the first product quantity to, for example, 10 quantity. And another product quantity to, for example, let me update to 5 here, and the total quantity becomes 15. Update the cart now. After the update, the delivery charge should be $75, based on the total cart quantity is 15. As you can see it here, the total product quantity is equals 15 here. Let's proceed to checkout to see the delivery charge applied correctly on the checkout page. In checkout you can also able to see the same fees. Now let's place the order from below button to place an order. After the order, on thank you page with the order details section, you'll able to see the delivery fee title left side and the charges correctly applied right side here. This shows you how to set up advanced delivery fees. For Premium plugin, visit the Dotstore.com. To test the plugin, click the link below given in the description. For more WooCommerce tutorials and guides, subscribe to the Dotstore channel. Thank you for watching.